Hi, my name is Alon Israeli. I'm the CEO of TotalDiscovery. Excited to show you a few cool things in the application today. One of the real unique differentiators of TotalDiscovery is that we look at the overall business process, whether that's preservation or discovery. We look at that in terms of how do you move as much information as quickly as possible and give insight on that information as early as possible to attorneys or other folks involved in the matter. And so one of our concepts is called streaming e-discovery, whereby we don't use the old batch mode. In e-discovery, mostly data moves in batches. Collection goes and happens, and then a couple days later, that collection or data gets added into a processing system. That takes a few days of some technicians to work with. That then gets searched, reviewed, and exported, then loaded into a tool for the attorneys to use. All of that is the batch mode of e-discovery, and what TotalDiscovery is doing is we're changing that. We're making it more of a streaming mode. And so what we've done is we've linked together all of the different parts related to what happens inside of a corporation. So for example, legal hold, questionnaires, and collections, processing, export are all streamed together as one overall process. What you're seeing here is a very unique differentiated feature whereby when TotalDiscovery collects data, whether that's from O365 or Exchange or a laptop, a workstation, or a server, as it's collecting and gathering that data in a forensically sound manner, it's also putting it through a streaming processing process mechanism in order to give more insight on that data close to the collection. And so what we're looking at here is not only the collected data, which you see here we've collected just a couple gigs, but in real time it's also expanding that out, processing it, doing all of the steps you would expect in order to get the users to full fidelity or legal standard search. And so that includes a number of tasks that run on the data, all in real time, in order for the user at the time of collection to see not only what they've collected, but also that data and how it's expanded out. There are exceptions, and then what specifically in that collection is searchable. All of that happens in about 20 to 30 minutes after a collection begins, which is unique and differentiated in the industry.